Well, hello. Welcome to our house. For a couple of days at least. Oh man, this is one of our favorite Disney resorts, Old Key West. This is a 1-bedroom and it's unbelievable. It's so awesome. Do a little room tour here, show you around. We're staying here for a couple of nights. DVC rental. We are not DVC members. We use DVC Rental Store to do this vacation stay. If you're interested in DVC rentals, we'll leave a link and more information in the description box below. Moving on to the room tour. We'll start here. We walk in to the left. We have a closet. I believe this is an accessible room. It's not what we asked for. It's just what we were assigned. It's totally fine. We love it. It's gonna work out great. So we have a closet here just to the left when you enter. Some hangers, a couple of shelves for storage. That's gonna be great. And a sweeper and a duster. Awesome. Those hangers out of the way there. Oops, 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 oops. There we go. And then as you make your way here into the main room, got a little shelf here so you can put your keys, you know, your magic bands, the stuff you're gonna need when you go out to the park that you don't wanna forget. Nice makeup mirror here. Well, I mean, check yourself out. Make sure you look cute before you go in the park. This is the door that would connect to the bedroom next to us, which would make this the 2-bedroom lock off if that's what you booked. We did not, we just have the 1 bedroom, so we'll be on this side. Walking in here to the main room, we have the living room area. A lovely couch. Ernie checking out the carpet, making himself at home. We will say that this resort is not pet friendly. Service dogs only, so apologies for those with regular doggos. Got some lovely artwork over here, some nice coral. There's a blender over here on the ottoman for some reason. Don't know why. I like it. We'll use that later maybe to do a beverage. Over here in the kitchen, full kitchen, which is phenomenal. Full kitchen, full-size coffee maker, paper towels, all your dish soaps and things, some storage down here, microwave, dishwasher, and all of your things that you will need as far as like your plates and bowls, anything that you would need if you were making a meal. Cups, glasses, mugs for the coffee. Speaking of coffee, you have your Joffrey's set right here. More cooking and baking utensils here. Lots of storage. And a full oven in case you want to do some cooking, and a toaster. Awesome. One of my favorite features, the full-size refrigerator and freezer. Amazing. I love it. Nice little bar area over here with your ice bucket, some shelves. Good little dining room table right here so you can have your breakfast in the morning, as well as another table out here on the patio. Very nice. Little water view over here. We've got some ducks swimming by over by the fountain. It's very peaceful here. I really like it. Again, one of our favorite resorts to stay at. And over here, when you turn around, lovely TV. Very large, very nice. Remote control over here along with the Disney 100 Years of Wonder book. And your magical Disney experience starts here. Phone in case you need anything. That is a really cool lamp. I like it. All right, we will move on to the rest of the 1 bedroom. Excuse our luggage there at the door. We just checked in. All right, hallway here. Cooling features or heating features, depending on what time of year you're here. More cleaning supplies here if you need them, as well as your your steamer and ironing board. And then, should you need to do some laundry, your very own washer dryer, complete with basket and detergent. Lovely. Moving on into the bedroom, which looks amazing, but is not my favorite feature of this resort. I will show you that in 1 second. This king size bed looks phenomenal. I can't wait to sleep there. It's going to be wonderful. Nice little lounge chair over here. Do some reading. A lovely little bench here with some additional storage options, should you need them. 2 drawers underneath. I like it. And you also have 3 drawers here underneath the TV. That's right, a second TV. Wonderful. And many, many plugs for charging things underneath. Regular and USB. Amazing. There's also a really good mirror right there over the bench, which is awesome. Got another little door here that leads out to the patio on this side. See some people playing golf over there in the distance. Having a nice day here at Disney. Lovely. Got another phone in here, as well as some storage here underneath in the nightstand. There's a plug right there if you need to charge anything. I don't see any plugs up here on this side on the lamp anywhere, but there's one right there, so you're good. You're good. We'll come over here, same thing. We have another nightstand with a couple of drawers for storage. Lovely artwork here on the wall. And now we are coming to my favorite feature of this resort. The entire reason that we booked this resort. This is the bathtub. Xanadu, it is a jacuzzi tub. You guys, I can't even tell you how much I cannot wait to soak in this tub and just relieve the stress of all the theme parks and be zen for a few minutes. My gosh, this is gonna be magical. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. I am so excited. I also love that artwork right there. Fantastic. Got a sink with lots of counter space. Fantastic. A couple of drawers for your storage. You've got some hand soap here, which is lovely. And also for your bath, you have your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Now, should you not want to have this tub, which maybe there are people out there that don't want the soaking tub. I am not one of those people, but maybe there are people that just want to take a shower. You're covered. There's a shower right in here. Yes, the bathroom is gigantic and there's a separate shower. Isn't that magical? Let me turn some light on. Oops, I turned it off. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Okay, got it. Yeah, there's another shower. Fantastic. With shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Lovely little seat here if you need it. Fantastic. Over here, another sink. So multiple people can get ready in the morning at the same time, which is pretty great. A lot of towels, more counter space, excellent amount of counter space. Hand soap, body lotion, additional towels, your hair dryer, and additional Kleenex down here. And this is wonderful. This is wonderful. Also, this is a fun feature. I don't think I can reach it from this side, but we'll turn around the other side and open it up. I guess in case if you were in the tub and you wanted to watch TV, you got a little opening here. So you could do that. Let's see if it works. It's here in the tub. And you're gonna watch TV? No, but you could look out the window. So there's that. That's fun. Also, this 1-bedroom door here closes if you need privacy and reveals another closet. Look at that. With hangers. Got a safe back there. And additional extra blankets. Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I'm so excited to be here. One of our favorite resorts. Because we get to have a 1-bedroom. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Yeah. Oh, some awesome artwork here on the wall. Florida Keys. That looks cool. We still got Ernie chilling over here. Yeah. I'm here for a couple of nights. It's gonna be fantastic. Might put up the Christmas tree. It is the season. And yeah, stay tuned for a little resort day. But we really love this 1-bedroom here at Old Key West. Amazing.